Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust bay parking. First, select your desired parking spot and ensure there's enough room. Position your car so your rear bumper aligns with the bay line, about 1/3 of the way into the adjacent bay. Look over your shoulder and use your mirrors to confirm the area is clear before you begin reversing. Take your time and make small adjustments. If you find yourself turning too early, your car will be too close to the bay line. Drive forward a short distance, perhaps 1 to 2 feet, and then re-angle your steering. Conversely, if you turn too late, you'll be too far from the line. Reverse back a little, straighten, and then try the turn again with a slightly earlier steering input. Small corrections are key. As your vehicle enters the bay, begin to straighten your steering wheel. Continue reversing slowly, using both side mirrors to monitor your position. Aim for roughly equal space on either side of your car. If one side is closer, steer slightly towards the wider gap while reversing to center yourself. This helps achieve a perfectly straight park. Once you're mostly in, make any final minor adjustments by moving forward or backward a few inches to perfectly center your vehicle. Ensure your car is safely within the bay lines and not obstructing traffic. Before exiting, always check your surroundings thoroughly, including blind spots, to ensure a safe departure from your parking spot. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.